make sure you show the indicator few meters before you turn. So if there's a car behind you, the car would be aware that you are already turning. Hi guys, and welcome to another episode on my YouTube channel. Today on my channel, some interesting things to be done. You know, we are in the quarantine season, and like we all have to learn one thing or the other. We are all keeping safe and all that. So today on my channel and on being in quarantine or quarantine, depending on which senior high school you attended or which country you are from, I'm going to teach my mom how to drive. It's been so long, so she's trying to perfect it, and probably maybe she'll get a car in the future. So yeah, wish me luck because I'm not a perfect driver. Then start the car. Start it and start you. Yeah. Yes. Calm down to drive. So now hold the steering wheel. Then you will not fear accelerator, not a brake, not. So be controlling it. Straight. Make sure the car is straight. Don't go straight. Stop. Maintain and don't step on the brake, like step on it slowly. So before you get, let's say you're going to stop over there. You know you're going to stop over there. So before you get there, you make sure you start stepping on the brake till you get there. So please move. Let's go closer to the gutter. Go straight. So turn right. Go straight. Then turn right again. Hold on, go straight, then turn. Go pass in between the stones. No. Hey, she said don't say one. Hey, oh girl. Wait, slow down. Wait, brake. And she can't actually see anything. And she was just driving. Hey, that's one. Why though? Are you okay? Yeah, sure. She's doing well, actually. She's doing quite well. Park. Handbrake now from that is already in the handbrake. So unpack. Put it on drive. Then now what are we going to do? Very straight. So straighten the car. Straighten it. Stop. Turn right. Straighten the car. Straighten it. You come this way. And straight. Still can't actually. It's okay. Stop. You are turning the steering wheel too much. If you do it like that, it means that like you're not sure of where you are going to. So go now, turn left, turn right, right, yes. So now let's go to the trafficator. You want to turn right, so turn just show the indicator. If it goes up, it means you are going right. If it goes left, like down, it means you are going left. So now you are going right. So it's on the right. So turn off the engine. Park the car. It's left with one thing. Your hand brake. So now let's start the car. No, start before. No. It's on park. Don't forget. So go straight and turn right. Show indicator. Then turn. So you see that car. Stop. Do you realize that when you indicated the place there will come, when you turn and you were turning back, the indicator just went off. So it was telling you that you are now going back to the original position. You understand? So now let's go straight, turn right and turn left. Go straight, turn right and turn left.
Right.
And turn left, yes. So go. Turn before the block over there. Show indicator, Mama. So make sure you show the indicator, go straight. Go straight. Make sure you show the indicator few meters before you turn. So if there's a car behind you, the car would be aware that you are already turning. Then turn right. I wanted us to turn left, but the space over there is small. Turn. No, keep turning. Right. I want us to try the left turn. No, to turn this way. Then go straight and turn left. Turn, face the mango tree. Straight. It's okay. Then straighten the car. Now turn left. Show indicator and turn left. Left, Mama. You are tensed. Stop the car. Stop. Sure. Go straight. Turn left. When I say turn left, it doesn't mean turn immediately. You can go some few meters and then before you turn. So you don't just turn. If you're on the highway, you just turn. Someone just bump into you. Turn left. I told you don't just turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Then turn right again. Oh baby, that way. Best have to hold on. Today's lesson is break and turn. So now go straight. No, in fact, turn right. Just turn right now. I want us to do the left turns. Turn, then move. Oh baby, that way. Move. You know if accelerator no. Found nice accelerator no by me. Now straighten the car. Then turn left. I'm afraid when you move to me accelerator no. Turn left. I told you should show a trafficator. You don't turn before you show the trafficator. Straighten the car. Stop. It's not even up to 30 minutes and she's already tired. So take your time with the water. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, fine. They are going to their houses. So, unfortunately, we have to end this video so early because some kids have come to occupy the park that we are using for the lessons. And we can't obviously tell them to leave the park. It's not ours. Yeah. So maybe we'll continue tomorrow. But how was the lessons? I think you should hear from my mom if I was a good teacher or I was a terrible teacher. So how did you find the lessons today? What did you learn? Tell us what you learned.
How to park how to turn left and right, and how to go straight.
Yes. And how to brake. You don't just slam the brake.
Yes.
So I hope you enjoyed my class and I was a good teacher.
It's quite encouraging.
Okay, alright.
To do better than today.
Yes, hopefully. So yeah, guys, here I am, I'm now a driving tutor. Yeah, call me whatever. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think you should rate my driving lessons from 1 to 10. 1 being the worst driving tutor and 10 being the best. Yeah, so let me know your opinion or whatever you think about this video in the comment section. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, kindly like the video and comment, share with your friends as well. So yeah, I'm taking over the driving wheel, the steering wheel. It was fun driving with you all. Hey, see, I have to push this thing back. Like, it's vertically challenged. So I have to push it back short. So I have to adjust the seat again. And I have to go and thank the people who managed this place. They were giving me wahala. So I'll see you in another video. Peace out.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.